Hey there, it's Tekeo. Guess what? The time has finally come. From now until February 20th, pCloud is running its 2025 Valentine's Day sale. You can snag a lifetime storage plan at up to 50% off with a one-time payment. This isn't just any sale. It's the best time of the year to get pCloud at a steal. Reddit users often ask, when's the best time to buy pCloud? And the answer is clear. Black Friday and this Valentine's Day sale are your golden opportunities. These deals are rare, so don't miss out. Here's the scoop on the plans. Everything is 50% off. That's right, half price for a lifetime of storage with just one payment. You can get 1 TB for $199, 2 TB for $279, or even 10 TB for $799. These prices aren't a dream. They're real. But here's the catch. This deal only lasts until February 20th. So act fast. February might be busy, but you don't want to miss this Valentine's Day sale from pCloud. And hey, you can gift this to someone special or treat yourself. It's not just about giving. Sometimes you need to invest in yourself too. This promo is perfect for that. Now let's talk about coupon codes. Forget about them. They don't exist for this deal. Don't waste your time searching online for promo codes, because there's no place to enter them anyway. Just use the link in the video description or comments to get these discounted prices directly. This Valentine's Day offer from pCloud is truly special and limited time only. If you miss it, you'll have to wait until next year's Valentine's Day sale in 2026. Black Friday offers different deals that bundle pCloud with other services like pCloud Pass and encryption, which might not be what you need. So if you're just after cloud storage at an unbeatable price, now's the time to act. Don't wait around. Check it out now and secure your deal. Time to take action.